Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfera. So in this video I will show you how to set up WhatsApp username easily. So follow the step by step tutorial. So it's really easy method. So firstly you have to go to your phone interface. So to change your username on WhatsApp you have to go to your WhatsApp, and from there you have to click on three dot and you have to go to setting. So and then you have to go to account section, and here you will get user option. So you have to click on user, and here you have to create username. So click on create username. So here I will choose an username, and there is showing that it is available. So you have to save on it. So I have successfully reserved my username on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.